Bonjour et bienvenue sur la chaîne K.K.M Language and Vocabulary. Je suis Komal Mishra, and in this video I'm gonna show you or teach you 8 polite phrases or words for both formal and informal situation. Guys, please watch the full video because it is very important or useful for you if you want to visit or study in France, Canada or any other French speaking countries. These phrases and words gonna use in your daily life conversation. Okay, let's start. The first phrase is s'il te plaît. S'il te plaît. Guys, note that it is an informal form of saying please. Please. S'il te plaît means please. And you have to use this with your friends and family members, which means you have to use this phrase with the person you know very well. Okay. Number second. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît, which means please, and it is in formal form, which you can use with your boss, teacher, professor. Merci. Merci, which means thank you. Thank you. Merci. Or you can also say merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Merci means thank you, thanks, or beaucoup means very much or a lot. So that merci beaucoup means thank you very much or thanks a lot. De rien. De rien. It is an informal way of saying you're welcome. It literally means it's nothing. Next one. Je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. It is informal way of saying you're welcome. Je vous en prie. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Formal way of saying excuse me. Excusez-moi. It sounds similar to English. Yeah, a little bit. Excusez-moi. Okay, next one. Désolé. Désolé, which means sorry. Désolé. Sorry. Or if you want to say I'm sorry, you can use je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. Okay guys, if you really understand it clearly, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also write down in the comment box given below that how's my today's video. You like it, not like it, and from which country you are watching my channel. Salut, à bientôt.